Rude by Altamirano. In the rich habit of Timor-Leste's history, traditional customs have long dictated a gender dynamic that bestows authority upon men over women, shaping the trajectory of women's lives. From an early age, young girls are instilled with the belief that fulfilling domestic roles such as cooking, serving the family, and engaging in household chores are not just important, but essential aspects of their identity. This widespread belief system significantly restricts the freedom and opportunities available to women, permeating all facets of their lives even to this day. As a consequence of this traditional gender dynamic, the voices and aspirations of women have been marginalized and overlooked, resulting in limited access to education, restricted career advancement, and exclusion from meaningful participation in decision-making processes. The immense contributions that women make to the progress of Timor-Leste remain under-recognized, and their potential to impact their communities remains underutilized. To create a truly just and inclusive society, it is crucial to address and transform these deeply ingrained cultural norms, spanning from every village to the national territory of Timor-Leste. By championing gender equality, empowering women to pursue their ambitions, encouraging critical assessment of traditional marital customs, and fostering an environment where all individuals have equal opportunities to thrive and contribute to their communities, Timor-Leste can cultivate a future that fully embraces the potential of all its citizens.